Welcome back, it's Clever and Smart, and this is episode 3 in the Pinsetter final rebuild. In this series, we will take note of everything that needs fixing and fix it in preparation for the final distributor reveal. In the previous episode, we fixed up the setting table by relocating one of the table rack tubes 90 degrees to minimize shaking when setting new pins. In this episode, we will fix up the sweep drive and ball return. Let's get started. Here's the old sweep. It has served me well, but it's time to make a new one. At both ends of the sweep wagon, there's these feet that will clear the gutters from pins. These should be round, but I've always faked it with a sticker in front. Well, that will be no more, since I believe that I found a solution. These round discs will work great to remove the pins from the gutters. Ta-da! A new sweep. It looks cool in black actually. Yeah, the old sticker doesn't match at all. Let's complement that new black with a new sticker. Here's the sweep drive mechanism. I can move it by hand by turning this big gear. Look at how much play there is in there. I believe this is caused by the amount of gears I have in here. Let's remove it all and start over from scratch. And there! A new sweep drive. This one uses only 2 gears to limit the amount of play. Let's put it in place and attach the new sweep wagon to it. Now since the gear ratio is different than before, I need to program the NXT robot again. I'm using a feature on it that can detect how many degrees the motor is turning, and by then turning the motor by hand, I can see the amount of degrees needed for each operation. I then use my trusty old MacBook, well, it's old and slow I guess, there we go, to launch the NXT program. I have to adjust the values for each time the sweep is moving, which in this program is in quite a lot of places. Anyways, after that is done, it's time for a test. Wow, it's way too fast. Let's make it a bit slower and try again. That's way better. The last thing to fix is the ball return. Just adjusting the feet on the cabinet that the lane rests on may be enough to fix it. Yes, it was. But how about the ball door? Well, I did something. Cue the montage!